Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you the best app to bulk edit product prices in Shopify. This method works perfectly in 2025 and will save you a ton of time by letting you increase or decrease all your product prices in just a few clicks. No more editing products one by one. The app we're going to use is called Bulk Price Editor Sammy. It's simple, free to use, and very effective if you want to run discounts, adjust margins, or update prices for an entire store at once. Here's how it works. Go to the Shopify App Store and install Bulk Price Editor Sammy. The app is free, so no worry for extra charge. Follow on-screen guidance. Once installed, open the app from your Shopify dashboard. Inside the app, here you need to add New Task. Name anything like increase price by 5% or other. You'll see options to increase or decrease all product prices by a percentage or a fixed value. For example, if you want to run a store-wide 10% price increase, simply set the percentage to 10% and apply. If you want a discount, you can decrease all prices by 20% in just one click. The app will update every product automatically without you needing to manually edit each item. This is especially useful if you're running sales promotions, seasonal discounts, or bulk price increases for suppliers. And that's it. The Bulk Price Editor Sammy app is hands down the best solution for bulk editing prices in Shopify. It's quick, easy, and works perfectly for both small and large stores. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tutorials and e-commerce tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.